Welcome back, nail queens. In today's video, I'm going to be removing the lifting that I have on two of my nails here from a recent tip application. So you can see here that the tip and the gel is separating from my natural nail. It's also happening a little bit on my index finger, and it is totally my fault because when the gel seeped out during the application, I didn't do a good job at removing the seeped gel, so that led to these two nails lifting. However, the other three are holding on very strong, so that's a testament of how well this gel is working. But you can see the gel that I'm tugging at right here at the cuticle area. That has to be removed. The lifting has to be removed. I don't want any moisture to get up under there and cause greenies. So I'm using this drill bit here on the jelly tip to remove any of the seeped out gel and to help remove any of the lifting that's closer to my cuticle area. Now that I've really got in there and removed most of the gel close to the cuticle area, I'm switching drill bits to this larger barrel bit. It's a smooth round top, meaning it won't hurt me if I touch my skin with it, thank goodness. And it's really just helping debulk anything else around the lifted areas, which is my goal because I want to remove a little bit more than just the lifted areas so that when I go to fill it in, it's going to be nice and smooth. You can see how I'm maneuvering and moving the drill bit. I'm doing small, quick motions and lifting it up off the nail because you don't want a drill bit like this, or any drill bit, to sit on your nail or nail enhancement for too long because it can cause a heat spike, which does hurt because it causes a burning sensation. Once I've done all the work with the drill bits, I dust everything off, give it a final inspect, and then I go in with this buffing block and I just rough up the entire surface of the entire tip because I do plan on putting gel on top of the tip, doing the fill and everything, making it all look nice and seamless. Therefore, I need a rough, gritty surface. So I'm using the gritty side of this buffing block, or it's not even a square like a block, but this buffer, this nail buffer, in order to rough up the surface of the entire jelly tip. I'm going to cleanse everything with rubbing alcohol. I do this whenever I'm about to put something on my nails. I always cleanse the nail first. So that's going to dry and evaporate, and then I'm going to go in with a nail primer. So I've been using the Pro Fix primer from Profiles Backstage. This is a HEMA-free gel primer. V Nailed It recommended it, and I was like, let me try this out. It works just as great as the Young Nails Protein Bond and other gel primers that I've used. So if you're looking for a HEMA-free option, I highly recommend the Pro Fix nail primer by Profiles Backstage, and I will have it linked in the description box below if you guys want to shop for that. I know there's a lot of people out there who are very conscious about the ingredients of the products they're putting on their nails. Anyways, I'm going to use the rubber base from the Painted Desert on my nails, and I love this gel for doing fills and fixing any lifted areas because it's a thicker gel base. Think of it as the medium in between builder gel and gel base. It's somewhere in the middle of the two of those, and it's the perfect consistency for doing fills. So I'm going to apply that near the cuticle area where I had all the lifting occur, and it's going to basically fill in that spot where the lifting was, and now that there was no gel there. Also, I want to apologize if you're hearing some things in the audio. I can't eliminate them, but one of the kittens who we have in my office right now, she keeps walking across my desk, my keyboard and everything, and bumping into the microphone. So that's what all that noise is, and that's why you keep hearing some booming in the microphone. I'm so sorry about that. I know some people are very sensitive for audio reasons, and I get it, so I'm sorry. Now I'm moving on and I'm doing my thumb. I'm doing the same thing I did on my index finger, except for I have to use more gel because my thumb is a little bit bigger. And I'm just putting it in the same area, focusing on the cuticle area, and I thin it out towards the free edge. I make sure the gel covers the entire nail, but predominantly most of the gel is in the areas where the lifting had occurred to fill in that void. Okay, so I just cured these two nails in my nail lamp for a full 60 seconds, and I'm going to apply a gel top coat on top of them. The reason why I'm applying a gel top coat is because the gel base is a sticky base, so it's going to have this tackiness to it. So I applied this no wipe top coat so that it will give it ultimate glossy shine, but also remove the sticky feeling that the base leaves behind. Alright, so here are the fingers. They're all done. I just need to add some cuticle oil to them like that. So this is how I was able to remove the lifted areas and then fill it in with gel and make it look like nothing had ever happened. So hopefully that was easy enough for you guys to follow along and self-explanatory. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask in the comments below. Also, here are my press-on nails. I have press-ons on my left hand and then my right hand are jelly tips. I'm living like both lives right now, but they are lasting a long time. I'm on day 4 right now of these press-ons and they do not want to budge. Nothing is wobbly or wiggling, and I'm extremely impressed. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!